Day 2 working on this thing. Our trim piece.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. What was it they used to say? Seeking you will find. There is nothing in you that is fading. All you ever do is shine. You are brighter all the time. And I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Make it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody.
The old anchor came here, but I think the new one's going to be a little further, but we're going to start just by cutting this out,
Alright,
and then we'll see what it looks like. And I
do
marked
it.
the holes in the back too.
let's do it. See him to drill holes in there.
I mean, they got to draw a straight line and then go back with the router and clean it.
Yeah.
Mic done.
Alright, we'll continue this on next time.
Whenever that is.
Next time, whenever that is.
Yep.
Continue the work on idle hour.